What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are working on my wife's 21 JLU. The last video that y'all saw on this, I had upgraded the headlights to LEDs, and my fog lights and running lights or driving lights hadn't come in yet, but they finally came in, and we're gonna make a quick little video of how we throw them in there and how things look together. So I got the Jeep running in the shop right now with the door closed. I just wanted to show you real quick, the obvious differences. So you got the white light, dirt brown, makes it look like a flood vehicle, but we're about to change that. So before I go any further on this install, I do want to say this. My plan is to just install the LED on the driving light for right now. I don't want to do the LED turn signal because then I'd have to splice in a resistor because I don't want the blinker to be blinking fast. So what my end game is to find the marker, there's the fender lights from a Rubicon, and swap on them. That way it has the LED strip right here. But these little lights right here were $10. So until I can find some fender lights from a Rubicon, I'm just going to run these $10 lights right now. All right, let's get them in. All right, so right now y'all are resting on the tire. The Christmas tree clips that I'll be taking out is this one right here, and there is one right here that I'll be taking off to put in the driving light. I will be using my handy dandy Christmas tree removal tool. I guess I didn't have to take that one off. Anyway, I'm gonna reach in here and look at there. There's the bulb. So this is what I did. There's the light assembly right there. I just twisted it. Now I'll take the bulb out. So I'll be taking the LED light bulb, put it in, give it a little twist, and that's it. And then I'll take this plastic, massage it back into place. So for the fog lights, what we'll be doing is taking the Christmas tree clip puller on these push pins, kind of starting it, prying it up, just like that. Make sure you don't lose those. So on this front fog light cover, there is a pin right here, a push pin that comes right out. So once you get the plastic piece out of the way right here, you can reach in, disconnect the fog light, push it to the side, and then there are some 7mm bolts that will be taken out. So got all 4 of those 7mm screws out. You can take the whole fog light assembly out, and we'll take it to the table. So you can replace this bulb while the fog light assembly is still in the Jeep, but just for YouTube purposes, I kind of wanted to show you how it comes out because it is kind of weird. But you got to press these 2 tabs on the end and just kind of walk it up. So it's not that bad, but it can be kind of intimidating when it's on the vehicle and you can't really see and everything like that. So the new LED bulb just plugs right in. So it does have, it only goes in one way. So this side has one indication and this side has two. So we'll just kind of push it in and it's in there. Looks pretty good. And make sure when you put it back in the vehicle that, to save yourself some time, that you put top, make sure that's facing up. That way you're not trying to put it in upside down and then your holes probably aren't going to line up perfectly. So let's get it back on the... I got the 4 screws tight and then I got the LED plug plugged back in. So I got everything back together on this side. Now it's just time to do the driver's side. So I got everything buttoned to back up. Got the LED bulb in the driving light, the fog light, this fog light, and that driving light. Got all the push pins pushed back, and on this fog light I actually got lazy and I did not take the 4 screws out of the back. They were extremely aggravating to get to. So I did manage to reach my hand in, get it clipped and seated properly, but like I said, you can do it either way. Let's see if these work. Oh man, what a difference. So to kind of give you a comparison of how bright the fog lights are now, this is just the headlights. That's the fog lights. So if you're looking to upgrade your JL Sport or your Sahara that don't have the LEDs factory, I would definitely consider Oracle. It made a huge difference in this Jeep right here. My wife loves the headlights. She can actually see at night, you know, because it does get dark at like 4:30 now. But that's going to wrap up this video. I really appreciate y'all watching, and make sure you stay tuned so the next time you see this, it'll probably be on the lift, getting some stuff done right here. Where's it at? Right there. But I really appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will check you on the next one.